Hey guys, I hope you have wonderful day. So today I am going to give you 5 work from home jobs so you will able to make passive income using those jobs. Only you need computer and internet connection. I will show everything you need to know about those jobs. Most importantly, you don't need to invest or spend any dollar to start those jobs. You will start it today and you can make money easily without waste your time. So let's start. First one is become a graphic designer. So now you will think I don't have any kind of skills. Oh, I don't know about graphic designing skills and I am not a graphic designer. So it's time to be a graphic designer. I will show you every step you need to do to become a graphic designer. So first of all, let's find out how to find customers. So only you need to go to freelancing websites and register with those websites. There has main 3 websites. Those websites are fiverr.com, freelance.com and upwork.com. If I go to fiverr.com, also I have video about why I hate Fiverr. I will put link on description. Let's start our work. There has lot of designers on Fiverr, but you can become a Fiverr designer even you are beginner or you don't have any kind of skill. First of all, create Fiverr account and go to Fiverr homepage and hover on graphic design. Then you will see lot of categories. So in those categories there has logo design, band style guide, business card, flyer design, poster design, menu design, invitation design, web and mobile design. There has lot of categories. So let's go to flyer design. I will open it on new window and there has lot of result to flyer design. This is the first one. If I go to first gig and also I will go to second gig, I will open another gig. I will do awesome professional flyer design. This person currently is a top rated seller and he already did 1453 orders. His basic package start at $30 and currently he have one order in his queue. That means he need to deliver it and he will get another dollars on by design the flyer. Just do the calculation. His basic package start at $30 and Fiverr will get 20%. That means he will earn $24 when he deliver a flyer. So if I go to those flyers, those are really simple. You can do those flyers easily. I will show the technique in next step. So he is currently top rated seller and he will get he have lot of ratings. Unfortunately he get negative feedback. By the way, it's happened. You know, we can't be a people pleaser. By the way, this is huge opportunity. Don't miss it. And if I go to next flyer design gig, he currently do 643 orders. Also he has 20 orders in his queue. Oh man, that is huge. Also his basic package start at $10. So this is the opportunity. You can become person like this and make huge income with Fiverr.com. You don't need to stick into flyer design. You can also hover on graphic design section and check other graphic design work. So there has album cover design. So if you go to album cover design, there has only 343 people give this service. That means there has a small percentage of competition. So you will able to get more sales faster. So this is the way to grab customers or grab jobs as graphic designer. So now it's time to show you how to become a graphic designer. It's so easy. There has website called Skillshare and Skillshare has lot of tutorials. So you will able to find lot of valuable and useful tutorials in Skillshare. Currently there has a huge offer. Click first link on description and go to Skillshare. When you go to Skillshare with that link, you will able to get 2 months free access to Skillshare. That means you will able to use premium account for free in 2 months. Let's find out how to learn to become a graphic designer. Just search Photoshop. Let's search Adobe Photoshop. In here, there has lot of tutorials to learn about Adobe Photoshop. This is the essential training. Personally, I follow this tutorial. It's really great tutorial to learn basic of Photoshop. So there has another his course called Adobe Photoshop CC Advanced Training Course. So if you follow those 2 courses, you will able to become a professional graphic designer and you can beat those other graphic designer on Fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform. So I highly recommend to watch those 2 courses to become graphic designer. Also, if you want to grab any other skills, just browse and check other skills. So this is the way to become a graphic designer, and you will able to do it without spend any dollars. So this is huge opportunity, don't miss it. Second work from home job is become a social media manager. Social media is the number one thing. If someone want to promote his brand, they will hire professional social media managers. That means if you become a social media manager, you will get chance to manage those social media profile like Facebook pages, groups, and Instagram business accounts, Pinterest accounts. Not only that, you will able to make lot of money with it. So if you go to Fiverr and search social media manager, I will close those tabs, and there has high demand to social media manager job. So I will open the first 3 gigs. Let's check. I will be your social media manager and content designer. So this person currently complete 298 orders, and currently he have 8 orders in his queue. So his basic plan is start at $150. Oh man, did you see? He will also, that person only manage one social media platform for 30 days with 1 post per day. So as example, if this social media platform is a Facebook page, you only need to create Facebook posts and schedule those posts for 30 days. Then only you have to reply for comments. So it's so easy. You will make $150 by doing it. This person has 5-star rating. This is huge opportunity. You don't need anything, any kind of special skill to become a social media manager. It's just a name. Only you need to manage their account. It's so easy. You can create those kind of posts using Canva.com, so you don't need to worry about that too. I don't know, man. This is the way and this is the path. If you don't start it today, you are a fool. So if you are start it today, you will thank me within 1 year, definitely. So don't miss this chance. I said it again and again. This is huge opportunity. So if I go to second gig, he currently delivered, she currently delivered 279 orders, and he has 9 orders in his queue. This person start his gig at $45, and he will deliver it within, she will deliver it within 7 days. So she only had 1 post per day for 1 profile for 7 days. So I don't know, man. Just start it. If I go to second one, that person also add 1 post per day for 7 days to 2 social media accounts, so 7 posts in total. Those posts are scheduled posts. So this is really easy. I don't know, man. You must start it. By the way, that person get 176 reviews, and there has currently 6 orders in queue. Yeah, definitely start it. I say it again and again. You don't need any kind of great skill. If you don't have any kind of skills about graphic design, you can create the post using Canva.com. I already have video about Canva, so I will put link on description. Just watch it and start it today. Also, if you want to know more about social media marketing, just click first link on description and go to Skillshare, then search social media, I think words are wrong, by the way, social media marketing. Click on it and you will get tutorials, and this is the way to become a social media marketer and social media marketing specialist. So let's go to next one. Next method is create online course on Skillshare. So I already talk about Skillshare. Click first link on description and come to show Skillshare. Then register with Skillshare. Then click on teach and click on create class. So if you know about things like woodworking, crafting, or if you love to teach and you have passion about teaching, just film it and upload to Skillshare. You will able to become a teacher on Skillshare and earn lot of money. So this is another huge opportunity. just click first link on description and come to this page and try to create a class. Before you create a class, just go to teachers handbook page. I will put this link on description too. So if you click on teacher handbook, you will get everything you need to know before you create a class. You will get A to Z steps. So just follow this process and create a class. Also you can click on browse and check other classes related to your niche and get idea about their teaching skills and other stuff. Then you will able to become a teacher, and actually you only need to create one course at one time, and Skillshare will promote your video, and Skillshare has huge student database. If your course is great and people love to your course, you will able to become a professional teacher and make passive income by work from home. So let's go to next one. Next job is become a freelance writer. So there has huge demand to freelance writers. I will show the result on Fiverr. So I go to Fiverr homepage and there has tab called writing and translation. So I click on it and you will see writing jobs. So if you become a writer, you will able to make lot of money. Let's click on website content. You will see the gigs. So let's open first 3 gigs. First one, second one, and third one. Okay, this person has 100 completed orders and there has one order in queue, and she will create SEO optimized content for $65 and she only write 500 words. Oh man, you can create 500 words article within 2 hours, maximum 2 hours. If you don't have lot of writing skills like me, maximum you will get 2 hours to write the article. There is huge demand about article writing and become a freelance writer. Only you need thinking skills and writing skills. Also currently if you don't have any kind of skills, just start it. When you start it, you will get orders and you will get more experience. Then you will able to expand your writing skills and your freelance business. Okay, let's go to next one. In next one, that person has 65 reviews and he has 3 orders. He only create 50 words for $5. Yeah, he only create 50 words for $5. You can create 50 words within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. If I go to standard package, he will give 500 words for $55. So if you don't know about to write SEO content, just click first link on description and go to Skillshare, search creative writing. So you will able to grab creative writing skills, and if you want to know about SEO, just search SEO and you will get lot of SEO tutorials. So this is another huge opportunity. Also you can sell SEO services. So if I search on SEO on Fiverr, you will see lot of links to SEO. So only you need to optimize SEO on website or blogs. So this is another huge opportunity. Let's go to next one. Okay, this is our final job, that is become an affiliate marketer. Currently I try to become an affiliate marketer and I get some results. So this is huge opportunity. If you don't know about affiliate marketing, just go to YouTube and search affiliate marketing for beginners, and also I have video tutorials about affiliate marketing. I will put link on description. This is huge opportunity and I will create more about affiliate marketing videos in future. So already there are lot of tutorials on YouTube, so follow those tutorials and become an affiliate marketer. That is the easiest way to make money online, but it takes time. So if you become a freelancer, you can get orders within 1 week or 1 month, but if you become an affiliate marketer, it will take time. It's according to your traffic. If you have money to invest and money to advertise, you will able to make sales on faster. but if you use free traffic you will need to wait. So that is why I make this as fifth way to work from home job. This is the video. I hope you get valuable information. I can give this advice: just focus on one thing. Don't try to do all at once. When you try to do all at once, you will burn out and you will not do anything and you will not be productive. So that is the best tip that I can give you. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Feel free to subscribe and I will see you in next one. Bye bye.